Hey guys, I welcome you in this wonderful video. So I have an example here. You can see this price movement here. Né? It can seem to be some kind of a tempting move, né? Because as you can see that we had a support area here, which was very significant. And if we can extend it, we can see that currently price is almost around that level, and it is showing some signs that okay, it might be wanting to go down. Yeah? Let me just remove that. So as you can see here, previously we had the this high which forced price to move all the way down. Price was responding from this support here, yeah? And then now price then it went back all the way up with a huge amount of power, and then now it seems like it is giving us another high, yeah? Which can be tempting to other traders to say, okay, maybe I have to be looking for selling opportunities because price is likely to be obeying, or it is likely to be bouncing from these lows which were received before, né? Which is a very wrong approach. Né? I don't encourage it. Why? Because for the fact that here, let me just pull it up, for the fact that here we received a very huge upward move, né? It means that this upward move, it cancelled the previous downward move. Né? We can see that we had a move going down, né? Which was in response of this support level excuse me, but unfortunately the buyers went back again with huge amount of strength and momentum, and they went back to that area or above that area. Né? So for the fact that we received this impulsive move going up, it means that this move going down is already nullified. It is no longer something that we have to consider, because if you are to go in a higher time frame, let me just illustrate. Let me go to the 4 hour. If you are to go in a higher time frame raise, you can see that the only thing you see here is just this kind of a tail. Né? There is nothing where you see like the buyers and the sellers going back and forth. It is just like just a tail of a candle. Né? And if you can look at it in this perspective, you'll know that actually what has happened here, it is not yet significant, because the sellers went down and then the buyers were able to counteract that move. Né? Meaning this support area is likely to give us a move that is going up. Né? It is likely, I don't say it is giving us that move, but it is like to give us a move that is going up, for the fact that this breakout is at the moment failing. Né? Because if I can go back there, you can see that the sellers tried, né? But this can be their initial try. Né? They tried, but they failed. The buyers counteracted, but then maybe they're gonna try again to push down, and then let's say if the buyers counteract again, then we will know that okay, it's hard for the sellers to really push down. This will act some kind of a transition, when now the sellers from this wave are handing over the price to the buyers, né? Because we are expecting them to demonstrate huge amount of strength, because they were owning the price before, né? So if they are failing, it means that now the buyers, they are kicking in, né? So what I can say is that when you are trading such support and resistance moves, make sure that you don't enter early, but you wait for everything to be settled, and don't just enter immediately here, because you see like prices retesting and then going down, or entering here to see that okay, this is a new high, which is information. So never ever do that. Always make sure that you wait. For an example, this is a very important area, so waiting or being patient here is gonna really pay, because if you know that if you get a buying signal here, you know that it's gonna last for some time. If you get a buying signal here, it's not just gonna be a minor signal. Let's say maybe this just gets broken like that, you get a buying trade. If you get a buying trade here, it's not just gonna be a small move, but it's gonna push and persist maybe up to that high all the way there. Né? However, if you're just gonna try to put your sells and buys without waiting for any confirmation, you're gonna be losing your trades. Even just in this area, the price won't even go further. You'll just be messing up and risking your account only in this area. You have to make sure that when you enter a trade, you have watched all the the possible moves, and you've monitored every pattern, né? And then when you enter, you know that at least you are entering from something which is firmly established, né? I hope that is making sense. So price is in a significant error, so you don't have to panic when you see price in this error. Just wait for clarity, and once you receive that clarity, you need to know that when you enter that move, it's gonna pay, né? So I hope this helped you a lot. Thank you.